All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2017 Nissan Maxima. It is the SV model. It's beautiful gray with black interior, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, got a navigation system, fog lights, backup camera, alloy wheels, 6,000 miles in this vehicle, and best of all, minimum damage around the body. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper, let's have a heavy scratch here, about 2 inches. Moving, the rest looks good. Your hood looks nice. Your front fender looks good. Here's your front driver's rim, very nice and curbing. And your tire thread is at 830 seconds. This door looks good. This rear door looks good, and this quarter looks nice. Here's your rear driver's rim, very nice and curbing. And your tire thread is over 1030 seconds. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat, very nice. It is a powered seat. Let me jump in here, turn it on for you guys. Push start system. Does come with the two key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM, FM, CD player, honest and all that good stuff. Obviously, this is your Navi system. This is what your backup camera looks like. Boom. You got your AC controls right down below. Very, very nice. You got your steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. And your mileage of 6,174. Looks good. Very nice. It's got your home thing up here. Looks good, looks good, looks good. You got your map and your voice and your home screen. All that good stuff right there. Boom. Got your normal and sport. I like it. I like this car. Open up the trunk. Here is your rear passenger seat, and what that looks like, no holes, no tears, no rips. Does have an armrest with cup holders. Coming around, rear bumper looks good. Your deck lid looks good. So what your trunk space looks like, pretty big and spacious. There is a spare tire here with some tools and stuff. Boom, boom, and then of course your owner's manuals right there. You got your little netting here, cargo netting here. I believe we're calling it frame because it did suffer a hit here in this corner, and that's what we're calling it, frame. Other than that, the car looks good. This quarter looks good. Here's your rear passenger side rim. Does have some curbing. I'll say 10 or more just to engulf it all. Let's check out your tire thread, which is at 930 seconds. This door looks good. Here's your front, your other side of the rear passenger seat, and no holes, no tears, no rips. Armrests, cup holders, and rear AC vents as well. This door looks good. Here's your front passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips. And again, and this one is a powered seat. Sometimes normally the driver's powered and not this one. Both of them are powered. This fender looks good. Here's your front passenger rim. Does have some curbing from here to here. I say about, I don't know. Let's see. 1 second. About 830 seconds. Got some more here. I say 10 or more just to engulf the whole thing. All right, guys. Boom, boom, boom. Let's turn on these fog lights. Let's make sure they work for you guys. Boom. All right. Ooh-wee. Look at that. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is a 2017 Nissan Maxima with 6,000 miles. If you guys got any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding. Beautiful, beautiful car.